So we've built a brand new website. We've got spiders checking them out. We've got links to other sites that are already recognised. Do we have to submit to other search engines?
No, not really. There's loads of businesses out there at the moment, companies that are sort of saying, we'll submit your website to 700 search engines for $5 a week. And basically you're wasting your money. It is totally useless to submit your site that way. In fact, you don't really have to submit your site at all, providing you've got enough links to the site from other well-spidered listed sites. If you do that, you don't need to submit. You can submit your site to the Google Sitemaps plan or to the Yahoo engine yourself, but don't pay somebody else to do it. At least one of these multi-systems, because it isn't going to be worth it. So really, submission isn't totally required.